Hello students, welcome to the Department of Biochemistry. From the department, we are presenting you an e-learning module on the metabolism of aromatic amino acids. What is the need for an e-learning module? That is, you have the flexibility, you can access it anywhere, anytime, okay, and you can personalize it as per your needs. It is accessible to wide range of learners. You don't have to spend on the physical materials, so it is very cost effective, and there are very much interactive videos, quizzes are present in the e-learning modules. It makes it more interesting. You can take your own time to complete the modules. You can give enough time. Wherever you need more time, you can give. That is, self-paced learning is provided in this module. Okay, so this is an introductory video on the module. In this, we are going to study the metabolism of aromatic amino acids. So let us know what are amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks for proteins. They have an amino group and a carboxyl group attached to the same carbon. There are around more than 300 amino acids, but only 20 are seen in our human body. In this 20, we have 3 aromatic amino acids. They are phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. So the metabolism of these 3 amino acids we are going to discuss. Why should we study about aromatic amino acids? In humans, aromatic amino acids serve as precursors for the synthesis of many biological compounds and neurotransmitters, which we will know later. Enzymes involved in aromatic amino acid metabolism have been the targets for various drugs in various disorders. Therefore, it is very much essential for both animals and in human health. So this module ensures that the learner understands the mechanism of aromatic amino acid metabolism, with emphasis given on the important compounds obtained and alterations seen in their absence. This module spans over 8 hours with Dr. Tirthal Rai and Dr. Usha Adiga as the presenters. It has 8 sections. At the end of each section, there is either an assignment, quiz, discussion forum or an activity which has to be completed. At the end of the module, the learner is expected to complete the end module test. The learner is required to score a minimum of 60% in assignments and quizzes and a minimum of 80% in the end module test. Coming to each section, section 1 is an overview section. At the end of the introductory video, the learner will be intrigued to learn more about the metabolism of aromatic amino acid. In section 2, this takes the learner through the basic of phenylalanine and tyrosine metabolism. The section provides contents for reading. The learner is required to complete the assignment and quiz. The learner should score a minimum of 75% in this section. In the third section, which deals with formation of specialized products of tyrosine, the contents are the formation of melanin, thyroid hormones and catecholamines. The instructor video, external links and resources will help the learner gain more knowledge on these products. The learner is required to complete the MCQs, activities and assignments and score a minimum of 75% of the aggregate score in the section. Section 4 provides a detailed discussion on tyrosine disorders. The instructor video and the resources, both in-house resource and external resource, will help the learner gain extensive knowledge on different types of tyrosinemias, phenylketonuria, alkaptonuria and albinism. The learner is required to complete the activities and the quiz posted. He or she should score a minimum of 75% in this section. Section 5 provides a detailed overview of tryptophan metabolism. The instructor video will enlighten the learner with kynurenine pathway and the role of tryptophan in the formation of niacin, serotonin and melatonin in the body. The external links and the reading resources will increase the learner's knowledge on tryptophan. At the end of the session, the learner has to complete the MCQ, activity and assignment provided and score a minimum of 75% in this section. Section 6 deals with the tryptophan disorders. The instructor videos and the reading resources will brief the learner on the diagnosis of these disorders and increase the learner's psychomotor skill. This session ends with a quiz. A score of minimum 75% is mandatory to clear the section. Section 7 deals with different case scenarios on aromatic amino acid disorders and a brief on amino acidureas. The instructor video will brief the learner on the diagnosis of these disorders and increase the learner's psychomotor skill. At the end of the module, the learner is expected to complete the end module test that is MCQ based. The learner is required to score a minimum of 60% in assignments and quizzes and a minimum of 75% in the end module test. So thank you and enjoy the journey of learning.